Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Evergreen Living TV. How are you doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. All right, so today I want to show you how to make vegetable soup without oil. You know, when I talk about cutting off your oil intake and so on, people are asking me, but how can you make soup without oil? Like, you know, people of African descent, our food is mostly red oil and so on, or, you know, peanut oil and so on. So I want to show you today how you can still enjoy your meal, your beautiful soup without oil. That is living healthy and cooking healthy. So today, you know, I want to show you the vegetable. This is a spinach. You can use any vegetable in your location. You can use water leaf. You can use pumpkin leaf. You can use any leaf that is local to you. So this one is what I can find. It's a spinach. I have already, you know, cut it and washed it very well, and then very, you know, ready to use. So another thing I want to use for this cooking is okra. I like my vegetable soup to be a bit, you know, kind of soft. I don't want it to be strong, so I always use a little bit of okra to, you know, add to it so that it won't be too, you know, drawy, but at least it will make it softer. I don't know how to explain it, but if you know what I mean. So I use okra. So this is chicken. Every food I cook with chicken or any meat, or, you know, I always grill it. I put it in the oven to remove whatever fat that is in it. So this is very lean. There is no fat. Every fat has gone out of it. So I've already grilled it, you know, whatever you want to, if you want to say smoke it, or if you want to say roast it. So however, I put it in the oven and then it's already cooked. So the oil is there, out. So this is a dry shrimp. You can call it prawn, but with the back. I don't want to use dry fish, so this is what I want to use instead of dry fish. In my vegetable soup, this is what I really love to use. Okay, so here I have pepper, that's Scotch bonnet, the hot pepper. I have this sweet pepper. You know, the reason why I got this is because I'm not using oil, and then just maybe to make it a bit how do I say it, to make it a bit looking nice, you know, it will kind of replace the color of oil. So this is crayfish, you know, it's made of tiny prawns but very dry, and this is my seasoning, that's stock, and that is salt. So I want to talk you through what, you know, how I put it together and how I will make it to come out as beautiful soup. Another thing I love a lot, you know, is called oil bean. I add it to my vegetable soup. It's found in Nigeria, or probably eastern part of Nigeria. You know, it's called oil bean. We call it uwa or baka. I don't really know what else or how else to explain it. So it's very nice. I add it to my vegetable soup. So I've put the chicken in the pot, and you know, because I roasted this chicken or I grilled it, I did not season it. So I need to season it right now. You know, I need to add every seasoning in this chicken so that to make it tasty, and as well, so the chicken stock that will come out of it will form the basis of the soup that we're making. So I'm gonna use onions. I'm gonna cut onions into the blender. So I'm gonna add garlic and ginger. I've already peeled it. So I'm adding the pepper. So just gonna blend it together. Add a little bit of water, and then blend it together. So can see it is red. So even when you do everything, you won't even notice that there's no oil in it. So I'm just going to add it, and then I will put it on fire for it to season. So I want you to look at it. I've added it, so I'm just adding stock in it, and then I will allow it to season. You can see the chicken is being seasoned, you know, it's being cooked. So while I am waiting for the chicken, I'm gonna start to grate the okra, because I really want my okra in pieces. I don't want it to cut it, so I'm gonna start grating it while I wait for the chicken to kind of simmer. The meat has steamed, so I need to get the chicken out before actually I start mixing the sauce and the vegetable, because if I mix the chicken and the sauce together, because I have already pre-cooked the chicken, you know, I told you that I roasted the chicken. So because the chicken I roasted wasn't seasoned, I had to put it in the seasoning and then, you know, season it, leave it in the fire for about 5 minutes to, you know, for the seasoning to get into the chicken so that the chicken will be tasty. So after that, I had to, you know, remove the chicken so that I should have the chicken in whole. Otherwise, if you mix everything together, the chicken will break up and it will go in pieces. So you see the chicken, which is already ready to use now, ready to eat as it is right now. So then you have the sauce. If you see this sauce, you wouldn't notice that there is no oil in it. So already it has the color. So I'm going to show you how to mix everything together to get your beautiful, tasty vegetable soup. Remember, we're going to eat it together, because I can't just make food and not eat it. So you need to wait and see after cooking it how I really ate it and enjoy it, so that you enjoy it with me as well. So follow me. So the shrimp has softened up. So the next thing I'm adding is the oil bean. Like I explained earlier on. So stir it. This one will take time. So the next thing I'm adding is the okra, which I have already grated. Just want to show you how it looks like before I add the spinach. So I've added the spinach. So I'm just gonna stir it up and mix it up. So like I said earlier on, if I had put the chicken in it, it would have you know, it would have broken all the chicken. You won't get it in whole. So now that the soup has turned, I'm just gonna add the chicken, because right now the chicken is not gonna break up, because everything is the soup is done though. The soup is done. It's already done. So just to immerse the soup in the vegetable in the chicken, you know. So that's it done. So let's get the fufu and then sit down and take care of the soup. Okay, I'm sweating, so it's time to do the fufu. to go with the vegetable soup. So this is called amala. It's made of yam flour, but it's fermented, you know, yam, dried in the sun. So this is a less calorie or carbohydrate because it's already fermented. It's very light. So that is what I will use to eat the vegetable. So I'm gonna prepare it right now. Okay, I told you that we're gonna eat the food together. So you see, the food is ready. Oops, this water. The food is ready. So look at it. Look at the vegetable soup. Look at it. And look at the amala. Yeah? It looks so good. Let's see if it tastes good as well. So I invite you to come and join me to eat. Father, bless this food in the mighty name of Jesus. Please, I want it to nourish me. I don't want it to put my weight. Every excess calorie, I remove you from this food. In the mighty name of Jesus, amen. So please eat with me. Let's see if it's really tasty. Let's see. It tastes delicious. Oh my goodness. Very delicious. Very nice. You should try it in your home. You should try it. It's very, very good. Oh my goodness. Nice. Very nice. Goodness me. Oh dear. Please try it. You will not regret it. It's very delicious. That's the shrimp. Goes very well with this amala. Chicken tastes nice as well. Very nice. It's so good eating with your fingers. So good. I really want to finish this amala. I'm actually struggling now, but I want to finish it because this soup tastes so nice. So you let me know in the comment section if you cook it, whether it comes out good or not, you know. So just give me a feedback. What do you think? Did you make the vegetable soup without oil? Did you see any difference between, you know, using oil to make soup and not? So these are feedbacks I want. There's no difference, to be honest. The difference is just goodness. It tastes the same. I'm so full. I'm so full. I'm gonna keep this one and eat it later. I can't fit it in, but honestly, the soup is really nice. Vegetable soup without oil. Try it and you will see. You will lose weight. You will avoid that oil cooking your soup without oil. I will be making other soups to show you exactly how to make other soups without putting oil in it, and it tastes exactly the same. So go and try it. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Please give me a comment to encourage me. As well, share it to other people, other mothers, other sisters, other brothers who will be, you know, who will want to cook their food without oil, as in cut the calories in their soup. So you can easily send it to them. I'm sure that they will be happy. Keep on, you know, sharing the good news. Keep on commenting. Keep on liking. You know, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. Encourage me so that I will make more videos. Thank you very much for being patient with me, cooking and all these things, and then eating with me as well. I can't love you less. I love you so much. Till I come your way again, is bye.